Now, how do you turn off maps on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. So before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Okay, so there are a few things which you might mean by that. First of all, you can open up the Watch app, which is paired to your on the paired iPhone, of course, and in there you can scroll and find the Maps application. In there, you can disable and turn off a bunch of different things. For example, there are the turn alerts for driving with CarPlay, walking, and cycling. So it just means that if you don't want to be alerted, you can turn it off right here. There is also the transit navigation at the bottom, which you can turn off as well. Outside of that, what you can do is also like completely remove the Maps app from the Apple Watch, right? So you can like hold down on the icon and completely remove it, like delete it, even though you can reinstall it back, but you can just get rid of it altogether if you don't like that. Okay, so I'm talking about obviously the Apple Maps, but there are other apps, for example, the Google Maps, which has its own like dedicated app on the iPhone and of course the Apple Watch, and there you can obviously make it disappear from the Apple Watch, like you can remove it from there, or also just stop using it in the background, right? So if you go to the general section of your Apple Watch settings, you can go to the background app refresh and also turn off the activity of those apps, like you can stop it for your maps, whether built in or other, right? So it kind of depends on how you exactly want to have it set up and also what your goal is. So let me know in the comments below if we managed to figure it out. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely stay tuned, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.